So, what are we doing today?
Boats.
Boat work.
Boat.
Is an Invader. Red eye.
Ooh, we got water. This is Grant's boat. Tell us the story.
Wick, you can shut the water off for a second.
Yeah, I guess if you're telling a story, I will.
I've owned this boat since 2001. I bought it when I lived in Seattle from a guy I was dating who bought a much, much bigger boat. It's a 17-foot Texas Mariner Invader, Elan 177. This boat company has been out of business for about 20 years. The trailer company is out of business. The trailer has an assigned VIN. I am the only one stupid enough to keep this boat alive. This boat is positive flotation, meaning it won't sink, but it doesn't mean it won't go ass down in water. It has filled up with water a couple times, not under my watch. I've torn the floor out of this boat. I've got a custom keel beam put into this boat from a theatrical carpenter at Yale. I replaced the transom plug with basically my bare hands. I blew up the engine doing something stupid, so it's got a different engine. It's got a different outdrive because I didn't change the oil right. It's got a different articulating upper joint. But it's my boat, and I love it. When it's running, it's fun.
So what are we doing?
We are going to change the engine oil by using an extractor pump because you really can't get underneath there to get the oil plug out. We're going to run it for a few minutes, and we're also going to change the outdrive oil, which uses a little hand pump, and you have to pump up from the bottom, not pour in from the top. Because if you pour it in from the top, it doesn't go everywhere, and then you're effectively low on oil, and then you mushroom your upper 45-degree angle joint, and ask me how I know that.
Because you've
That's
done
how
it.
you got a new one.
That's how I got a new used one in Albany, New York.
A used one?
New used one. This has a Mercruiser 3.7 liter 470. It's either the best engine ever or the worst engine ever, and there seem to be strong opinions on both sides. It's half of a Ford 460 V8. The block is aluminum cast by Mercury Marine. The head is a cast iron Ford truck head. Because of the dissimilar metals, it runs coolant in the boat. It's got a heat exchanger. Still does suck in raw water from the outside, but that goes through the heat exchanger and pulls the heat out of the coolant. So, want to try and start?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, girl's gonna get the water.
Water, please.
So what is the water, purpose of the water? To keep it cool?
We have water.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Bobby might get a little bit.
Go ahead.
All right.
Water off, different battery.
Water off. Somebody go grab a battery and some vice grips.
What battery do we want to use? Do we have one?
We have.
Here, let's roll it out on in 27. I have.
Pause.